Guys, Kritika here. Yes, today I just wanted to discuss with you all what do you mean by Boolean algebra, and I just wanted to list few of the rules, and let's see what and all are there in this presentation. So first of all, let us see what do you mean by a Boolean algebra. Okay, Boolean algebra is a division of mathematics which deals with the logical values. Okay, logical values are zeros and ones, we will say. One is termed to be true and 0 is termed to be false over here in Boolean algebra. This is specially meant for simplifying or solving the Boolean expressions which are there in the digital circuits. Boolean algebra is also termed to be the binary algebra or logical algebra, guys. This is the basic definition of Boolean algebra. Now, what are the Boolean operators? Okay, let us see what are those. And, or, and not are the Boolean operators here. So let us see in detail about what is and, or, and not. Okay, and operation is termed to be the conjunction operation. So dot operator is used to perform this operation. For example, the conjunction operation of x and y, x conjunction y is 1 only when only x and y are 1, and the operator value will be 0, the x conjunction y will be 0 when both the values are 0, guys. Okay, this is how an and operation takes place. And the or operation is termed to be the disjunction operation. Plus operator is used over here. X disjunction y is 0 only when both are 0. If not, either of the one is 1 also, the value of the or disjunction operation will be high. Okay, coming to the not operation, it is also termed to be the negation operation. This is indicated by putting a bar across any expression. Okay, now few of the basic rules of this Boolean algebra are, guys, I will be explaining you in I will not be explaining in depth about all these rules in this presentation. I will be explaining and proving all these basic rules in my upcoming presentations. Okay, so first one, a plus 0 is equal to a, means when you add 0 to any variable, it is termed when you add 0 to a, it will be a only. If you add a to the a with the 1, the higher value, true value, the overall value will be 1. If a is multiplied with 0, it's termed to be the 0. If it is multiplied by 1, it will be a. And if you add a with a, it will be like a. If you add a negative negation value with the a, it terms to be 1. If you multiply both, it will be the variable itself. And a dot a bar, it is termed to be 0, because if you take a as 0, the a bar will be 1. 1 dot 0 means multiplication will be 0. And a double negation is nothing but a only, because single negation will be the value what it has before the negation of that value you will get. The double negation will be the value itself. Okay, coming to the 10th one, a plus a into ab is equal to a. Here we are taking a common, 1 plus b. As you all know, like a 1 plus any variable will be like the variable 1, so the value of that will be a plus a bar b. Here what we are doing, we are taking the common word to outside, so that we will get a plus b. And coming to the 12th part, a plus b into a plus c is equal to a plus a b c. So what we are doing, we are multiplying by, for removing the brackets, the final result will be this thing, and the De Morgan's theorem is listed as below. Every expression over here will be, the basic rules will be proved in the upcoming presentations. Okay, coming to the Boolean expressions and their meaning, the first expression is z is equal to a dot b. A dot b is nothing but the multiplication and operation is taking place over here, a and b. Okay, a dot b whole bar is nothing but the opposite function of and, that is NAND gate. A plus b is a OR gate. A plus b whole bar is an OR gate. A XOR gate, plus followed by circle is always an XOR gate. A plus followed by circle with the negation will be XNOR gate. and the bar across any expression will turn to be the NOT gate. So thank you so much for patiently listening to my presentation. This is a light introduction about the Boolean algebra and few of the rules and expressions. So meet you all in the next presentation, guys. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. So stay tuned for new updates. So please do like my video and subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first person to receive my updated video. Okay, thank you so much.